And our lives are spiraling towards chaos. I got a call the other day for Annalise. I don't know an Annalise, but the person on the other end of the line, I think was from a collection agency, made me feel wrong about knowing and not knowing Annalise.
Move the chaos!
Jeffrey, we need another play. I'm not so sure about this one.
Wait, it's me!
Go, Jeffrey, go!
I never. Don't. Let's not. Just look at me. Look at me.
Ooh, is this a relationship? That's right. This is my future. My future. My future.
Oh, my future.
This is my future. My future. My future. Oh, my future. This is my future.
Oh, what?
My future.
Oh, what?
My future.
Oh, my future.
Curtain.
I have missed you. Make me dizzy. Make my heart crazy over you.
Honest you do, honest you do, honest you do.
Misery will not persuade me. Misery is what made me the one who put the pain in champagne. Said little children were supposed to sleep tight. That's why I drank a fifth of vodka one night. My parents got frantic, didn't know what to do. But I saw some crazy things before I came to. Do you think I was crazy? I may have been only 3, but I was swinging.
In the world of movies, Academy Award winner Julia Roberts, or as I like to call her, Julia Robber, because she will steal your heart.
I'm talking about. Yeah.
Thank you.
planet from the sun, the Earth, evolving consciousness is coming together for realization phase.
Thinking that the time has come, seeing that the future is clear. I know that if I'm feeling scared, my faith will take away all my fears. My angels will not let me down. They're sitting with me here and now. I know no matter what I do, I'll do my best to live love and true. If I need to give myself the more space, I know it will be okay. I'll find my way. This life is sometimes hard for me, but endings may be hard to see. So I'll focus on what's in my reach and seize the chance to set my spirit free. If I need to give myself a little more room to grow, if I need to give myself a little more space, I know it will be okay. I'll find my way. This life is life, I'm just passing through. This life is life, I'm gonna do what I have to do. And if I need to give myself a little more room to grow, if I need to give myself a little more space, I know it will be okay. 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 If you really and you think that I should come back right away.